In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear, point-based rubric in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets on your desktop and creating a blank spreadsheet. We're going to set up a simple, easy-to-use rubric with categories, performance levels, and point values, and then polish it so it's quick to read at a glance. First, lay out your table. In column A, list your categories or criteria. These are the areas you want to assess, like content, organization, and creativity. Put each one on its own row. This becomes the backbone of your rubric. Next, use column B to define and record the performance level for each category. Common labels are excellent, good, and needs improvement. If you already know the language you prefer, type those labels into the cells in column B next to each category, so it's clear what level was achieved for that specific criterion. In column C, assign the point value that corresponds to the level you chose in column B. For example, you might use 4 points for excellent, 3 for good, and 2 or 1 for needs improvement, depending on the scale you need. Type the appropriate number in column C for each row so the score aligns with the performance level selected. Now, make the rubric easier to read. Add a title in the first row and merge it across columns A through C so the heading spans the table. Select the cells you want to merge, then use the merge function. Add borders to your table so each category, level, and point value is clearly separated. Select the table range and apply outer and inner borders. If you want, widen the columns so text isn't cramped and wrap text for longer category descriptions. If you'd like to streamline data entry, add drop-downs for performance levels. Select the cells in column B where levels will be chosen, go to Data Validation, and set it to a list of items. Enter your levels, such as excellent, good, needs improvement, separated by commas. This keeps the rubric consistent and avoids typos. Finally, add a total score. Choose a cell below your table, label it Total, and in the cell next to it, enter a sum formula that adds the points from column C, like USH SUM C2 C10. Adjust the range to match your table. This gives you an instant overall score every time you choose levels and assign points. That's it. Your rubric is set, readable, and ready to use in Google Sheets.